Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a Christmas idea for all of those truck owners that just can't give you an idea for Christmas. Now, a lot of these ideas are going to be less than 50 bucks, and I'll link them down below. They're not necessarily RAM specific, but you can fish around once you go to that link and find one that actually the color and everything that you want. Now, when I try and recommend something, I'm not sponsored by any of these people, okay? These are products that I've bought myself, put to the test, and if they were shit, I threw them out. So, in the long run, if you don't mind, smash the subscribe button, helps a small channel out, and again, everything's linked below. Now, a useful little accessory, guys, you can get these for any car, SUV, or whatever. They typically come in a set of 4. I have plenty of application videos on there. Basically, they're a door sill protector, so when you get out and drag your boot, you're not scratching up your paint, inevitably leaving to rust. Again, most of these are under 20 bucks. You can get them for a sedan, SUV, or truck. Now, climbing in the 26 Ram, we have a screen protector. These screen protectors, you can get them for Ford, you can get them for SUVs and everything like that. These are a little bit less likely to smudge. They will still smudge, but they will protect your screen from cracking, or if you hit something with it, or even scratch it, or if, say, you get in here with dirty gloves. Now, I would say most of these newer big pieces, these are some type of high-end plastic or glass, like Gorilla Glass, and they will protect it. Most of them for these big screens are going to be less than $30, and if they're a smaller screen, say an 8-inch or 10-inch screen, they're usually less than $25. So this is something that can just jazz up the interior and make sure you protect your investment. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is inside the bed. All right, we have here this cargo net is less than $14, guys. It comes with all the little carabiners to hook up to your connecting areas. It has a little flap, so if you flip open your tonneau and you want to haul some stuff back here, you don't want to blow out, guys, this right here is so cool. And then when you go out to the airport, you can push your luggage in there and groceries and everything, and it doesn't slide all the way to the front of your bed. If you're a truck owner or an SUV owner, this is something that you can definitely get. Now, this one being truck specific, it is wider than a typical SUV. So make sure if you click the link that you go and tab to the one that actually says SUV. Now, the next thing is less than 10 bucks, guys. This is door edging, basically clear bra, correct? So as you can see right here, I've already installed it, but it is almost invisible. I have plenty of videos. You could buy the person that loves their car or truck cheap roll of this so they can do their doors, watching the video that I made, and they can install it. That from somewhere else is probably going to cost you at least over $100 to have a professional do it, and I'm telling you guys, it is well worth it. Now, the next thing is on the back. Yes, it is a little bit more like flash, but it is a highly functional thing. It's a receiver hitch cover, guys. If you don't do a lot of conventional towing, which I do not, those will start rusting out, and believe it or not, they like to collect dust, dirt, gravel, and everything from where you're going. And you don't need that bolt to hold it in. It's a little rubber piece, less than 12 bucks, and you can get whatever flavor you like. They have ones with specific brand badging on it. You have brand name ones. This is some off the market one. I actually put one over here on my little Trailblazer 2. So easy breezy, guys, on that. Now, a couple other things I'm going to recommend for anybody that owns a truck, and especially if they're new to the trucking game, and you would have seen if they have these or not, is just a nice set of ratchet straps to go in the back, because usually if you got a truck and you got a truck bed, you probably have stuff you need to strap down. So straps will be down below. Now, as we work our way up a little bit in price point, guys, when we did the 2026 Ram, we decided to go as cheap as we possibly could, and I've ran these before. Now, somebody the other day said that I would like the stuff that people are giving me. Well, that's not true, because I actually don't have any sponsorships, and because I want to be able to just review my products, and if it's crap, like I said, I'm not going to even tell you about it. But as we work our way up, if you have, I'm going to link these down below. This is for a 26 Ram, keeping in mind, guys, not a lot of parts out there for 26 Ram, but Ram didn't change much, so 21 and up, these will work on less than 150 bucks. A lot of these things are on Amazon, of course, so they do have coupon boxes. That's not associated with me. You just got to read the ad and make sure you click it. You could save 10 cents. You could save 20 bucks, 20%. So just keep that in mind. Now, highly functional. They add a lot to it. And it's just one of those things that I think people should have on their truck. And again, $150 is a little pricey for a Christmas present, but if you really want to do something nice for them, these come in chrome, they come in black, they come for Ram, Chevy, and Ford, and I put them on all of my trucks and ran them alone and had no problems. Now the next thing, guys, is how about a tonneau cover? Now this is Ram specific, but this is under $600. Waterproof, secure, hail proof, foldable in 4 pieces. Now I'm going to link a soft cover down there too, along with this one, because if you go to the Amazon and you see their site, you can then pick your actual brand of vehicle. Now again, now we're working up to a little bit more expensive of a thing for your truck, but if that's your guys' gift price point, why not give them something useful? And then last but not least, guys, is fender liners for your truck. Okay, I predominantly run a Husky Liner brand fender liner. This is the Rough Country one. Both are good. I had to get these directly through Rough Country because you cannot get these on the Amazon website for this truck specifically, but it's a well worth upgrade to protect your investment. So tons of other great ideas out here, guys, for the low end stocking stuffer, don't have to break the bank, up to, of course, a little bit more expensive. Now, if again, anything we've talked about, there are install videos over on the website. So if you get these gifts for your loved ones, then make sure you head over to, give them my link, tell them this is how you're going to install it. Most people can figure it out. It's not rocket science, but if they wanted a little bit of help, then Automotive Inc. is there to help. Guys, I hope this helps out for the last minute shoppers or the hard to find shoppers. We'll catch you on the next one, and Merry Christmas.